na yung bagong cellphone ko. After saving for around 7 months, I can finally enjoy this phone.
Anong phone mo na yan?
Huh?
Anong phone mo?
The Infinix Note 40 5G. Dimensity 7020 processor, 512GB of storage. It also supports wireless charging. That's the best part. And price? Well, original price 13,000 pesos. But this, you consider a budget phone now. I only got it for less than 10,000 pesos. And let's see. Here, TikTok officials. If it is the actual phone, ooh, it's big and heavy. Here it is. Here it is, the new phone along with a free SIM card.
Hana!
Globe!
Hana!
Tama. If this is dual SIM, I'm gonna insert it.
Mas
Look at
maganda pag yung
this. Infinix Note 40 5G. And if you can see the specs, it's right here. There you go. And see this? This top part is the phone. This bottom part is the wireless
Wireless.
charging pad. So you need to buy a wireless charging pad for this. Anyways, let's unbox it.
Hana! Come on!
Here it is. I can feel the weight of it. Look at this ML themed.
Yeah.
The first
Come on,
part,
stay there.
the Infinix Note 40 5G, the actual casing. It also has the all-round 2.4 charging, and okay, here's the first thing about the box.
I thought that was actual phone.
It's the pin, and if we open this up, there's an Infinix warranty card. I think here's some manuals. Wait, no,
Why is this really heavy?
I don't know what
What's
this is. No, it's a screen protector. I think
What's this, Kuya? Why is it
this?
heavy?
Charger.
it's the other part, but we're gonna do that later. And this is the
The
wireless charging pad. Oh, wait, it has a free screen protector.
It does
Tempered as well.
this.
And look, you can
Kapal.
tempered, pretty solid. And this is the wireless charging case. Ooh,
Ooh.
see this?
How do you charge
See-
it though?
This
thing
is the phone
over
case.
this?
It comes with you see these circles here? This is for the magnets.
Okay.
It can so it can easily stick there. And this
Oh, what's that? Oh,
is the actual phone itself.
Ooh.
Oh. Oh, slowly. ASMR.
I think this is over there.
This is worth my savings.
Be careful, Kuya. You might, drop it.
There we go. And here it is, the actual Infinix phone.
It looks like Mama's
I
phone.
Doesn't really though. Now this is what I'm waiting for. The Infinix Note 40 5G. You
Yeah,
see,
turn
it
on,
has
turn
dual
on,
speakers.
turn on.
Dual ears with the first SIM. Does it have an aux
Turn on.
port? Oh no, we're gonna have a problem with this.
What's an aux
Baka
port?
pang Bluetooth na lang yan.
Oh yeah, Bluetooth.
What's an aux port?
You know the thing here where you insert something?
For the,
I guess we're gonna have some problems there with old Star fans, but that'll be later. And then we open this up.
Yeah, we
Here's
have
the
like
case.
Bluetooth stuff.
And then this part. Oh, this is so satisfying. I love this. I love this
Ano yan?
moment so much. It's the charger itself. 33.
Ah, so, pwede siyang may cord, pwede
Yeah.
magnetic.
Yeah, pwede. And also this one, the charging brick.
You mean the Raptor?
Gusto ko yung orange, yung niya, red.
Orange.
Oh, yan,
Yeah.
yan.
And let's stick it in.
How do
The
you
right
charge that?
down,
We
Egypt.
can charge this with two ports. You can charge it with here or magnetic charging.
Is that
And
the
here it
picture
is.
and how to charge it?
The included Infinix charging pad.
It was 100,000. That's crazy.
But all this for less than 10,000 pounds. The original price